Hey friends, I'm Grishma and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you about Google Software Engineering Winter Internship. Don't miss out this amazing chance to kickstart your career in tech. First of all, let me explain you about the details of the internship. First of all, this is an offline internship and the available locations are Bengaluru and Hyderabad. And coming to the point, the basic qualification required to apply for this internship is a student should be in final year and pursuing either BTech, MTech or a dual degree program in computer science or related field. And this internship is of 22 to 24 weeks. That means it is of 6 months duration. Now let us check what are the minimum and preferred qualifications. Coming to minimum qualifications, currently enrolled in associate, bachelor's, master's degree program or post-secondary or training experience with a focus on subjects in software development or other technical related field. Next one is experience in software development, and the last one is experience in either one or more programming languages. Now let us check the preferred qualifications. You can check here. The first one is experience working with some of the following like application development, web application development, Unix or Linux environments, distributed and parallel systems, machine learning, information retrieval, NLP, networking, developing large software systems or security software development. Next one is experience with data structures and algorithms. We know it, right? Because for any product based company, it is the most important thing. Coming to third one, you should be available to work full time for minimum of 6 months outside of university. And the last one is ability to communicate English fluently to participate in complex technical discussions. This is all about the software engineering winter internship. Friends, if you're eligible for this internship, try to apply as soon as possible by clicking on the link given in the description. Don't miss out this amazing opportunity, and also don't forget to share it with your friends too. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you in our next video.